What's up, YouTube? I've been extremely busy, but I got one in for you guys. This is the texture cut. If you're learning how to cut hair, you're gonna do some crop tops, you're gonna do some texture tops, not just skin fades, this, that, and other thing. We got the beans right here, Jack and the Beanstalk beans. So right now we balled the bottom with the clipper to save our trimmer some wear and tear. Go ahead, like, subscribe, all that stuff. People say that because y'all don't be liking and subscribing like that. So if you're tired of people putting that on the videos, then like and subscribe, or else we're gonna keep putting it every video until you guys can't take it no more. Stop watching YouTube at all. Like, I'm sick of YouTube. All they want me to do is like and subscribe. I'm not watching no more TikTok for life. If that's your life, you go do that. If you're not a hater, subscribe to the channel. Anyhow, back to it. We're using Low Pro FX right now. We got the one guard open, and we're gonna do our work. Now we got the 3 guard. Working our way down. Now we're cleaning up the bottom of the fade. Watch the lever. All the way up is closed, all the way down is open. I'm completely out the way. I'm shooting this as uncomfortable as can be so you guys can get the best vantage point possible on a 4K camera. Now we're gonna skin the bottom with the Andis shaver that still won't break. I'm trying to buy a new one. Got the thinning shears, and we're just gonna hit the sides, taking out a little bit of bulk. And line up the back of the beard, and we're gonna follow as close to the natural beard as possible without taking it down too much, pushing the beard in. Line this side up. As you can see, it's crispy as can be. We're on our way to 2,000 subscribers, slowly but surely. I'm trying to hit like 5,000 subscribers before I die, so go ahead, subscribe to the channel. This is my retirement fund from when I'm older. I'm trying to put my kids through college. Subscribe to the channel. Now working on the back here, we're just gonna fade down. I got the half guard on. Now we're gonna use a little clipper over comb action. That ain't a word, but it's 11:21 p.m. Trying to rush this video out in the morning for y'all. Now we're back on this side. Got the blade all the way open. Setting up our first guideline. Now we got the one open. Setting up our second guideline. I believe we had the 3 guard on there. Just working our way down. Now we got the 2 guard. I asked him if he wanted a beard. He said take that thing down. So we wouldn't take the beard down. Give them what they want, not what they need. shaver on the bottom again on this side. Clean up the back of the beard with the Babyliss Gold FX. I got my money worth out of that trimmer. I probably did about 10,000 haircuts on this trimmer. Back to the clipper over comb, combing it down and pulling it out. Now we're going to take out some of this bulk right here. Pulling that ear down with my right index finger and going back to work at it. Got the shark fin thinning shears up here. Finishing up some last little detail work. Now we're hitting with the Tomb 45 razor, all the way fully extended blade slot with the Astra blades. Crispy. No lube, no nothing. Taking off about 1 inch down the middle, setting our guideline. Now we're gonna come all the way back using that guideline we created down the middle. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna go all the way around the edge. We're just gonna take off a little overhang. Now we're going to use some thinning shears on the sides. Now we're going to cut in a diagonal. I don't know if that's the proper angle, but we're crisscrossing the top of the hair with thinning shears. This is going to give us the texture look we're looking for. Bada boom, bada bang. It ain't no thing. And it ain't right unless you put the Dyson on them. If you ain't got the Dyson blow dryer, you're doing yourself a disservice. Now we're gonna finish up with the beard. As you can see, the texture's already popping in the haircut. We haven't even put no texture powder in there. Cutting everything. Cutting everything down to a 1. I'm gonna take the DCL 2.0 blade on the Patty Cuts Edition trimmers. Do our detail work. Tomb 45 razor, fully extended. No lube, the way I like it, raw. Hit him with the texture powder. Watch the magic come to work. Bam, look at that. Rewind it, replay it, soak it up, do whatever you gotta do. That's it for this one, guys. Like I said, the more likes, subscribers I get, the more videos I make. Show us some love. And I'm out. Catch you on the next one.